Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV about.
Even if an ambassador deal it too quick, you go suck on mama. What you mean by it too quick if an ambassador? So if you sit on the person a ball up me, if you please or no. Big up Cian Lee right there, so. You know what long Cian knows me if you do surgery and try to convince me not to? Cian to me a Barbie doll in a real life, me no need that. Ask Cian Lee them how much months. Me a send up on WhatsApp and me a show him belly fat and me want to move and him a say, Kizzy, where belly fat there? You know how much girl that want look like you? You no breeze me about even if it's ambassador like too much. A bad man on a bad mind. A bad man on a bad mind, but even if an ambassador is too quick. Who asks on that? Some if you sit on depressed and homeless and mash up myself. If you please, no. You know me is a humble girl and me out about say me hungry. Me a bad not so much for. You no love me. Cause me not hungry for ever. Me get me body do up. Me can't find one man can buy me sitting here now. Or me not have it over here so I beg you no one rose and one wheel. Hopefully me can't find one local man now. I know cause me say nobody no want me. You no breeze me man. Yes, me hungry, yes. Yes, me hungry, me a suffer, yes. Me not no money, yes, you don't know. The only money me ever like to savings, so me did save out I want to send come give me appreciate no thanks. Look more for my chest now. I don't know how to that me make 4 million. Me no 4 million. And if I ask any ranker, they will tell me no make no $4 million for no blood cleat up or no breeze me. I who no give me money. Me no want hear nothing. Kizzy Dan is tired. A TikTok me company come ask the assistance just like everybody else wanna see I take 1 million plane flights and I buy 100 car. A TikTok is all of the company. So why me label as the biggest beggar? And I over here all of there ask to give. Nobody now ask me to do them millions a week time. Why you no label me? What did I do so bad? Why you not label me as the biggest beggar? Everybody over here play match every day and a Kizzy don't have strength for. So Kizzy not motor and sound. Not true. But that's got me Barbie done now, you know. That's why I can't tell a girl say. So them I go sit and talk on their live. So no go big chin, big mouth girl. Or if you sit on that live every day like they man and pay them no attention. I pretend to be happy. We don't need to breezy live and go work and go jog. We don't need to breezy live them and go find something else doing no time. Yeah, but only if you go find something doing no time. When you sit on the live, them I get big and stink. I same thing with me. Me did on the live, I get big and stink. The live is something make you sit I cheer all day. And two year bleach for the $2. You sit and put on 200 pounds and not even realize, my friend. And if you come out I cheer. No come out I cheer, them and go look a lipo. You know what it take to be ambassador, go using a platform to the best and the advantage. Kizzy Dan the only girl me see over here. I get all veneers and every blood clotting off a TikTok. And I walk a big ear boot till me how much 40-inch wig. And that's why them bad man me so. Me come over here come big wig boot bag. Me nah no shame in me game. Me no go suck on no mother. And if I not take man on no body all and mouth. And he nah do nothing for no. And I use my platform to the best of my advantage. I said listen. Me a beg on some clothes and boot. Why me fi have 200,000 followers and cannot help some small businesses by telling them if you no send me this, me can promote uno in return for the clothes them. Me a problem, me a beggy, me a this, me a that. I am very intelligent. I who no done some fool. I who no I that over here about uno no want no promotion and no want no this and no want no that. Make me do what me a do. Me go a good school. My mother never have it, but me no go done, so no fuck off. Me no come from a rich family, and me tell you no. So go on, cause me say me poor, yes, me poor, what? God go help me. Me poor, what? You know, over here disrespect, but you know, I'm back on a 2 wheel, so you know, say me I want a little hungry this, and me I want a little hungry that. I'm back on a 2 wheel, no come fit now. No found me say, me want God just guide and protect and keep you safe and keep you beautiful. Because you see, any day God rise me up, I want all of you to see. And what is so weird and strange, nobody, the people them who give me the biggest and the highest and the most mighty loss is not arguing with me. What you say, sweetie?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Honey, can you give me the a piece of, what do you call it? Where did you put the bandage for my wig? I can't even go on live with my face like this. I need the bandage for my hair front.
Okay. Acá?
Yes, it's. I don't know where you guys put it.
Let me see.
Alright, but sweetie, so I can show my face because it's a big old map. So we can now go make the cut. I need my band so I can look cute and feel cute because I don't have to my ball head. But give me a second there. TikTok. Tell them now, man. My real supporters, they love me and they will always love me. Not breeze me. Someone not attack on me ugly. Half I don't even look good like me. When I attack on me ugly and my head big. You never see me in real life yet? Look at dirty people here.
It's color.
Okay, honey, give me this drawers. Let me use this pantyhose. Open it for me. It's really high. Tie my head front in. You know, I can't call me ugly and me fart big. And most of the screen record in a fool enough and can't walk against me in real life. Rude. Both ugly and Kizzy ugly. You know what is ugly? If I'm not nice like me, I look so bad, I know. Both ugly and over head shape like what? Over head shape like this.
I don't know.
Come here, man.
It's color black.
Honey, can you pull this forward?
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you, sweetie pie. Give me a second. Okay, stop, sweetie. Open this. There's a red panty here. I just seen it. I needed to tie my wig front. Where is it at? Yes, right there. Thank you, sweetie pie. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I use this to put on my wig top. Yes, it's okay, honey. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Yes, sweetie. Them not gonna stop me over here. Also, mommy, you can close the door, okay? If I need anything, I'll buzz you.
Close the door.
Yes, close the door. Yes. Yeah. I'm a favorite dog. So me, I know. You come beat me now? Might say. You don't want to come beat me. Most of the screen card are full and then come a video about Kizzy. Kizzy, they ain't ugly. When I look at me swell up from my life right now, I don't want a problem. I don't want a problem. But I don't see no ball and I go suck out. A while ago, me there, so I'm not see piece of my ball head. I hear somebody in a comment. So our ear I grow back already. First they said me no ball me ear. I know they say me ear I grow back. Oh, what do you mean by me ear? The me ear not for grow. You no shave on the front, you no grow. You no grow back in a week time. Me ear not for grow. You is a wicked set of people. You not go come try me done now. And me say me realize me everybody weak friends. I want to tell you so to lift up off of this because now go work my friend. I'm screen a card this with the panty for me. That's how I live my life. I don't care about nothing say about me. No stop it. So my husband just come and babe me say before you start WhatsApp me. Because I don't want you to advertise me on WhatsApp. Me nice clean supporter there. Me nice clean supportive husband just walk in here. You screen a card the jar so me either no if you not go mad or no mad. Because God go help me. Me tell that uno call me papa and a bigger person, my baby, me love him, me soon call up on WhatsApp. Me tell that uno I call me pa Bapa Rising and I go tell me brown and pretty and when me fi have. Like me fi go take 100 man. Me nah do it, uno go dead. Me nah take the 100 man. Me come big and I will me a look, yes. Me get the free teeth. All this how we get on my head free, big up Glam Doll Beauty Blood Clip Bar. And me get the shape free and me still a look me wheel. Because me no boss yet. Yeah. Beat me for that. Wanna beat me for that. That's what you do. No come beat me. You no come and beat me for that. Poor me. Every day no cost me I tell me no have nothing. So screen card all the jars and make it go viral, my friend, because all the jars want to go fame. I want them to wash it. You no screen card. Good morning, my auntie Antoinette. You no beat me for that. Come not do nothing. Nothing to them people I know. Like me no fi come out, nobody no fi serve me and give me no help. Look how the woman serve me. We put out one song. God bless Mrs. Shemara Tad. And may God multiply her and push her. Mrs. Shemara Tad, the own taboo, Corita the wife. Look how the woman call me after the woman see me and blow up with a foreign. Am I struggle me not either bring me in a life? Am I struggle me not either bring me in a life? When me drop my song name Joe Grand, the woman book me Vitabu and give me one could change to come my 3 location. I never no big money because me is no big artist. And at the fan this so they start to take me and my love. Big up Miss Shemara to give me an opportunity to come perform on 2 show. When I move, Big up Miss Shamara Tad. One little song me have. You know much artist woman gonna book figure taboo and she book me. First in my life, the man send me go a 5-star hotel up a S hotel. Me can't figure them the experience there. Because of my life, man, I can't make a hotel, me think a hotel that. Me can't forget that the experience when she put me, the woman put me a S away name, a S hotel names, a mobile. Me can't forget that the woman put me a Pegasus at home. Me never got Pegasus yet. The woman put me a Pegasus and book me, except she book me for sure. Mrs. Shemara, they say me a money. I got to go down and 3 million them not feel bad about it. Me don't know where the hotel name, but it was the best hotel in my life. No man never can me go no hotel nice so yet. Maybe through me a bush girl. No, me no see no man fi can me go no big place. Bush girl me is. I mean, I walk and take Tam, Dick and John Moon. That's why me ever suffer so. That's why if me care want to tire me can't tell you no. I want to know like it same way. No man no can me gonna be go tell a people guest house then can me go my friend. Me no gonna wait for meet no man. It's a country girl every day me in my house. Pan live. They gonna know something put in my fridge. They gonna tap the screen. Me's a country girl. Me no really left country. Me got told me frightened. Me see I one big screen in the middle of the road and I drive say uptown that. Then me something they frighten me. Yeah, me not gonna know me a bush woman. All me do I go foreign that's bush. Go sleep. I want to thank you. Thank you, Auntie Patricia. Remember, my little visa and go foreign I sleep on ground, a family yard, in a sun little bush. I work in a sun kitchen. But I mean I go foreign go see no pepper light. You can't go foreign I look hustle and go see pepper light. No left me alone. Amount of pot and shit me clean to try look $110 me go foreign. No go away. Cause me no take no man for nothing in life. And I go see me the nicest things and God go bless me. Remember me telling that here? God go bless me. No go away for yourself. Me go foreign go clean shit and crawl on my belly and do all kind of excitement to wash all pot. Me lazy like a dog, me can't even wash pot. Me wash pot till me lose the walk. I when the man put me in the front to be servant, neither that me could manage. Because although me grew up poor, but my mother frightened for me. You know, me do nothing. My mother frightened for me, you never me do nothing in the yard. Me grow in a hand. Me look choppy too now mash up. Me look like nobody be growing no foolishness. All mother broke like a dog, me na Anna, me na have no pampers and a nappy, me na Ann. Him bathe me, and we na lotion use cooking oil for my skin. My skin pretty, yes, so no go mad. And my mother na lotion and cooking oil, him put palm in my love. And catch up me here with water and brush. And care me, because him friend me and love me. Me not grow up for no love and no big life. No love me and go, me not want nothing. No grow up for no big life, that's why me appreciative of everything, so. Lord, me look fat in. But I'm not telling you that my fatness me still cute. Me no grow up for no big life. Me no grow up for no big life. My mother never have it. So me no know big life. If my even come and can me go to one nice restaurant, they could have frightened me right now. Because me never have no money to go to no nice restaurant. No love me and go. But what's harder? Me come my little accent and me find my little way for company platform. And me use it and me work up my way and I still problem.
Hey, sorry, your massage.
Uh,
Ready, okay?
my massage is ready?
Yes.
10 minutes.
Okay.
You can't bother with them, so they want to give me a massage now. I don't like the massage, kind of massage pain. And look, I come away for cuss and argue. I come back, you know, me get massage about half of me. I come back, I come anglo now. I feel leave me alone. Screen a card a week for my head because it want to go viral. We want to leave a man in Jesus' name. We will body know me poor. So, I'm going to make it though because every money I make over here, I put in my career. Not because I'm not boss yet, that means I work now and go on. No leave me alone. Mighty man, no give me a break, man. No leave me alone. No one if come use no mouth. Anyone no come for me answer no. But I come feel like no more than me no. Anyone no come me answer no. Only if you get a live. And start the bagger. But no address. No care what I go on the phone no live. You never see me over your address. Me lock my mouth and me mind my business because me not have no luck. Me lock my mouth and me mind my business. And anything we have to do with Kizzy, me save body address. When never see me address no care what kind of issue no have yet. What not address me for? When no go address to no mama. No found over here. One on Mr. Pan like back to school and we're gonna have 2 cousins around the corner. We're not even have flower, but we need all for the blood clot video light. We're gonna have 2 cousins them around the corner. We not have nothing to eat and one auntie. We not a water 9 tank. But we not hard for the video light. We not go buy 100, 500 bag and put up but we not back to school maintain a video. And we not have no granny up here they want 2 pampers. So no go. We need to for the media. Me know no for our family suffer. No for I tell me money over here. Me send my cousin then 5 over here so come beg $10. Me give them 1 each and me skip 2 for myself. We no move and go. Oh my face was yourself and the life of my love come turn barbs and it a mad them. But how come me no still depressed? So if you sit down I'm mad. No better screen record this you know. I no better make them know so me I come for anybody me see I call me name me I come for them. Because I go on my knee and tell them thanks you know enough Nicole. I go on my knee and me tell me say me thank you and me appreciate you know. I'm a big up Perry, I'm a big up Triple, I'm a big up Tanania, I'm a big up that day one day, I'm big up that day one day, me big up Abel, me big up Sian. You know enough for some people to rat they at me again like my name Lawrence Tavern. No breeze me na man. No love me now. No say God help me. No say God help me. No leave me alone in Jesus' name. I be gonna break. I plead the blood against you know. Now me call God pa uni now. No mind me call God pa uno. Because God powerful. No na go bully me. No mind me my mother call up God pa uno. My mother call me and say she depressed because she don't like how the media draw me. Every time she feel one of them a drawing poor Pettiness so. Nobody now come to my defense. A drawing poor Pettiness. You know, like on my shirt and go. No fi go man. All of we over here taps and rose and a kiss it and they want label as bigger. And I got him me too pretty for a beg. So if nobody else over here not pretty. Nobody else over here not pretty. Let me know. But nobody else. So since Kizzy too brown and pretty for your taps. Nobody over here not pretty. Me want with nobody over here not pretty. Am I prettiest one over here? I don't know want to know. Me see Nicki Minaj sit down on live. I say, wow, you not send me a train. And if Kizzy do it up, we never hear this yet to rad to you. I mean, I don't know why you're pretty. So when I behave like I say, show me how looks are one good eyebrow, me joke on my face. Good eyebrow, me joke on my face. Make you ask you one flowers. Yeah, ask you one flowers. Wanna stop it, man. Look how much uptown people over here taps and rose. All because they uptown do not consider it begin. But you Kizzy my country girl, the country wanna say they have one piece of whole car and me are the bigger me love. Look how much uptown people over here taps. That me want to know. Look how much uptown people over here taps. I wear myself, man. You see God not sleep, you know. Father God not sleep. Amount of uptown people miss over here taps. But when it's I guess when you're uptown it is okay to beg. When you're uptown it is okay to beg. But for you one look a poor girl we have one piece of Toyota Vitzer Crown Athlete one Fender. Everybody see has problem, my love. My massage room. Well, I'm gonna let the massage I know. Massage ready? Is it gonna be hot today? I'm gonna let the massage ya. Guys, we're gonna do a massage.
Bem,
Take out my wig gonna go. But my ear go, my ear not gonna go. No move and go.